Call everyone from the kitchen and tell everybody to listen to Harikatha. Gurudeva. Call everybody to listen to Harikatha. First of all, my obeisances to my Guru Pada Padma, Nityananda Pravisa, Om Vishnu Pada, Asutara Shat Srimad Bhaktivedanta, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, Nityananda Pravisa, Om Vishnu Pada, Asutara Shat Srimad Bhaktivedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. My name is the obeisances to them.
अष्टोत्तर सतनाम भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव वृंद परम स्नेहशिला मातृवृंद मेरा यथायथ
I can, but if this stops working, then okay, I'll bring it.
वास्तव रूप में हमारी रस बिहारी
Really, our Rasa Bihari Prabhu.
क्या नाम है?
What's his name?
आज
And they spoke
यहाँ पर
today.
गुरुदेव की जन्म शतवार्षिकी
So they're celebrating the centennial of Gurudeva here.
गुरुदेव की मधुर स्मृतियों को
So we are remembering very sweet memories of Gurudeva.
रखा गया जिसमें सभी लोगों ने समय समय के अनुसार आप लोग गुरुदेव की अपराकित जीवन चरित्र
And
तथा
we are remembering the transcendental life history of Gurudeva and
आप
also
लोग स्मरण
many stories of Gurudeva.
उसी कड़ी में दो
So in this context, I want to speak also two
करता
words
हूँ।
to you
जब गुरुदेव
that when Gurudeva,
यहाँ पर ईस्ट ऑफ कैलाश में आते थे
he used to come to east of Kailash in the beginning.
हम लोग मथुरा मठ की सेवा के लिए विशेष करके
I used to come to the service of the temple of Mathura, especially in Janmashtami times. There was a park near here called Kalibari, Chittaranjan Park.
मंदिर भी नहीं है, बहुत दिन की पुरानी की बात है।
There was no temple there, it's an old story.
पार्क जो है,
This is Chittaranjan
तो हम
Park.
लोग
So
इस
we
चित्तरंजन पार्क में जो है और मथुरा मठ की जन्माष्टमी की सेवा
So-
के लिए
used to come to get some donation for the temple of Mathura and Janmashtami.
कलेक्शन करते थे।
So we used to do
आप
collection.
लोग की पता है
I don't know
कि
if you know how you used to do or not.
तो इसके बाद जो है
After that,
धीरे धीरे
slowly,
गुरुदेव की प्रचार प्रसार होने लगी
Gurudev started preaching more,
और विशेष
and
करके
especially
यहाँ पर इस तब कैलाश में
east of Kailash.
यहाँ पर भी गुरुदेव भी
Gurudev also started coming here.
गुरुदेव यहाँ पर भी कई रहते थे। एक रागलर
गुरुदेव
के घर में
He used to stay here in the house of
और
Ragaleka
दूसरी
Didi,
जो है,
and
तो इस आपके घर में भी रहते थे।
also in your house also many times Gurudev also stayed here.
ये सब महातीर्थ है।
So this is a Mahatirtha, because Shastra explains
यहाँ पर शुद्ध
where the pure devotees, pure Vaishnavas,
अपने चरण
they
धूले देते।
keep
वो
their,
क्या बन जाता है?
give their foot dust there. That
महातीर्थ
place
बन
becomes a Mahatirtha,
जाता है, जिसे चैतन्य महाप्रभु
topmost pilgrimage place.
हरिदास ठाकुर
Like
की अपने
Mahaprabhu,
कलेवर लेकर के जब
When he
स्नान
took the
कराया
body
समुद्र
of
में,
Haridas Thakur and
और
bathed him
महाप्रभु
in
ने
the
क्या
ocean,
घोषणा की?
Mahaprabhu
आज
told,
से समुद्र महातीर्थ बना।
now the ocean became a Mahatirtha.
तात्पर्य ये है,
So what is the
जहाँ
meaning?
पर
Wherever
शुद्ध
a pure devotee
अपने चरण धूले रखते हैं,
keeps his foot
वो
dust,
वो क्या हो जाता
that
है?
place becomes a Mahatirtha.
भगवद विदा भागवता तीर्थृता स्वयं प्रभु तीर्थ कुर्वन्ति तीर्थानि शांतस्तेन गदाभृत भगवान श्री हरि के
गदाभृत
हृदय में
भगवान।
धारण करने वाले ऐसे शुद्ध भक्त
These pure devotees who
तीर्थ के
keep God in
जो
their
मलिन
hearts,
जो है, मैला
they
को क्या कर
are
देते हैं?
themselves the purifiers of the pilgrimage
तो
places.
तीर्थ में मैला कहाँ से
But
आ
how
गया?
possible the pilgrimage places, they are dirty?
और पापी
Yes,
लोग
because the
तीर्थ में
sinner
जाकर
people,
के,
the sinners, they come to the tirthas,
वो
pilgrimage
पाप
places,
आदि छोड़ देते हैं।
and they leave
इसको
their
तीर्थ क्या हो
sins
जाता है?
there. So the
मलिन हो
pilgrimage
जाता है।
place becomes dirty.
किंतु देखो शुद्ध भक्त
But the pure devotee,
उस स्थान पर जाकर
he
के
goes to these
वो
places
समस्त पाप
and
भी
he
क्या करते हैं?
cleans the place from all
दूसरे
the
शास्त्र में कहते हैं,
sins.
ये
That's why Shastra explains.
भक्त की शुद्ध भक्ति के गृह में आना ही
If a Shuddha Bhakta,
ऐसे एक शुद्ध
if a Shuddha Bhakta comes to your house becomes a tirtha. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains.
भजन देखी प्रियते गोलक भायो चरण सिंधु देखिया गंगा सुख न सीमा पायो शुद्ध भक्त चरण रेणु भजन अनुकूल भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेम टीकार मूल शुद्ध भक्त चरण रेणु भजन अनुकूल शुद्ध भक्त की चरण रेणु की कोई
So
आस्था
if somebody takes shelter of the foot dust of a devotee, of a Shuddha Bhakta, pure devotee, this person will directly attain to Bhagavan.
सद्गुरु जो होते हैं
The bona fide Guru,
कहीं भी चले जाए
he can go anywhere.
उसके छोड़ते नहीं
Sorry, the disciple can go anywhere, but the Guru will never give him up. The disciple can give up the Guru, but where is the disciple going actually? Today, I was telling in the morning that the bona fide Guru is the most expert fisherman.
मछुआरा का दे वो कैसे पकड़ता है
Okay, so the fisherman, how he catches the fish?
जरूरत नहीं होता है
No need the net.
हैं?
He sends, he throws
क्या बोलते हैं धागे में जो है वो एस लगा देते हैं उसमें कुछ बिट दे दे खाने के लिए
rod, fishing rod.
देखा आपने एक जगह में जो है
You know, he throws a fishing rod with some. You can see in the Google. If you never saw, you can consult the Google.
कैसे
Google.
पकड़ता है
So there's a rod with some
वो
line,
क्या करता है
and this line has one
हैं?
bait in the end
वो
with
जब
some
मछली
hook.
बड़ा मछली खा ले
And when the big fish
और
eats
उसके
that
अंदर में
bait,
क्या चला जाता है
like the
सिर्फ
food, then the
उसकी
hook
एस जो है
becomes
चला जाता है हैं?
inside the
और
stomach
वो
of the
बड़ी
fish.
मछली क्या करती है
And then this big
हैं?
fish
बस
is
वो भागता रहता है
trying to run away, not be
हैं?
caught.
भागता है उसके अभी तक पता नहीं है
But because the fish
ये
still doesn't
उसके
know that this actually has a hook inside
पेट में
him,
क्या चला गया
he doesn't know there is a hook
उसके
across his own stomach.
और वो मछुआरा क्या करते
So,
हैं
but the fisherman,
और भी
he
धागा
gives more, so he loses
और वो
the
line चलते रहते हैं
he gives more
उस
line,
समय
line,
चलते
line,
चलते वो
line.
क्या करते हैं?
And in this way
घूमते
the
घूमते
fish is
वो
running,
मछली क्या
so
हो जाता है?
swimming,
थक जाता है।
trying to run away, escape. But
जब
in
थक
the
जाता
end,
है निस्तेज हो
the fish
जाते हैं
becomes
हैं?
tired.
तो अब
And then
वो मछुआरा क्या करते हैं
the fisherman again reels in
घुमाते रहते हैं और
the
फिर उसके ऊपर
line
बलवृंदावन
and then
बिहारी लाल
takes the fish out of the water.
है? ये हमारे भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज जी यही उदाहरण
Our
हैं।
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj gives
सद्गुरु
this
क्या करते
example.
हैं? जो मंत्र
The
दे
bona
देते
fide
हैं,
Guru, when he gives a
वो
mantra,
मंत्र बैठते नहीं आता है
this mantra will never go in vain,
कहाँ
never
तुम
ever.
भागोगे?
Where will you
कितने दिन तक
escape
तुम माया के
to?
जाल में
Like
फंसे रहोगे?
you are for so many days in this jail of
हैं?
Maya, where will you run
किंतु
to?
तुम्हारी बात- चल,
Because you're
एक
inside
दिन ना
here.
एक दिन तुम्हें
One day
आना ही पड़ेगा
you have to come out,
है? आया समझ
understand?
इसलिए सद्गुरु की यही लक्षण
So
होता
this is the
है
symptom of a bona fide
जो
Guru.
एक बार
If
जिसको
once
अपना दे
he accepts you, he'll never give you up.
देखो एक छोटी सी कथा
So I'll tell you one small story
अमेरिका की कथा है
from
कई
America.
बार गुरुदेव से मैं
Many
विदेश भ्रमण
times
करते रहता हूँ,
Gurudev is
है?
traveled.
इंग्लैंड अमेरिका से सब जगह में गुरुदेव
Actually, I travel with Gurudeva in so many places
प्रचार में
in England, America, and many countries, and also in India.
गुरुदेव एक भक्त
So,
के घर में रहे
Gurudeva was staying in the house of a
धनी
devotee,
भक्त था
a very rich devotee.
उसके पास 20-25
He had
कार
maybe
भी है,
20 or
विशाल
25 cars,
है,
okay,
बिजनेस है,
gigantic business, like,
है,
and everything.
तो
So,
उनकी वो एक दिन क्या की
one
अपने
day what happened?
गुरु के जो है गुरुदेव के जो है कार में बैठा करके
He put Gurudeva
प्रोग्राम
sitting
में
on the
लेकर
car
के जा रहे थे।
and bringing Gurudeva to a
कथा
program.
प्रसंग में गुरुदेव
Okay.
सामने बैठे थे,
And then
हम लोग पीछे बैठे थे।
In the Katha,
तो
Gurudeva
वो
was sitting
कथा प्रसंग में
in
ये
front
बोल रहे थे,
and
कि
we're
गुरुदेव,
sitting in the back.
मेरा
in
जो
back,
छोटा
like-
बच्चा जो है 12-14 साल की
So he had a
आपने तो
10
उसको
or
दीक्षा
12
हरिनाम तो हरिनाम दीक्षा दोनों ही दे दिया
year-old boy. So the devotee was telling to Gurudeva, Gurudeva, you gave Harinam to my son, but sometimes my son chants holy names, but sometimes not. So many people they do this. I know, I was telling. How many? I don't even know to how many people I gave Harinam in my life. But who is chanting or how much they are chanting, they know. You know.
क्या करें क्या
What to do if the person like takes initiation but doesn't chant? So this devotee was telling to Gurudev, this devotee, Gurudev, you give him Harinam, but sometimes my son is chanting, sometimes not. So this is his offense. Gurudev, what to do? How will he be delivered? Gurudev told one story. Look, there was a king who had some employer. Employee. No. Somebody working for the king, okay? So, this is not my story. Whatever Gurudeva told, I'm just telling you guys, okay? This is called Guru Bani. It's the words of Guru, instruction of Guru. Guru Bani. Means whatever Gurudeva told, you tell also that. Not your own katha, your own stories, but what Gurudeva told. In the Bhagavatam, sometimes I tell. Something is your own katha, your katha.
भागवत कथा बोलो वृंदावन बिहार समझ में आता है?
No.
जो भागवत लेकर बैठ जाते पहले तो अपना प्रशंसा कर लेते हैं.
So those who take the Bhagavad sit down but start glorifying themselves actually, just to attract the people.
एक दूसरे की प्रशंसा करते हैं.
Then
उनके अट्रैक्शन करेंगे.
they glorify others. Then 2 hours passed and they saw they didn't say anything actually in the Bhagavad. They just say one shloka and then they say Haribol. Okay, so first like my katha, like they glorify themselves, then they glorify others, and if some time is lapsed, then they Bhagavad katha. Okay, so this, okay, so studying about Gurudeva, you can ask Srila Madhava Maharaj and he'll tell that this is true, this story. Gurudeva told there was a king, and the king has an employer working for the king. Employee. The king had one employee, somebody working for him, and this employee was working 24 hours for the king, 24/7, like whole day, whole night, doing so much service for the king. But one day, this employee of the king, working for the king, told to him, "Hey Maharaj, I serve you so much, but I've noticed something. I've noticed that you are not so happy with me as you are with your son. Like you are more happy with your son than with me. And your son doesn't do anything." Listen to this story. Gurudev told. Gurudev is saying. What? Your son doesn't do anything, does he? Only eating, sleeping, drinking, and watching TV. Do you like TV or not? Do you like TV? But I saw that whenever the king comes back, he takes his son and embraces him and laughs so much and like kissing him and smiling when he sees him so much. But Maharaj, to me, you don't do anything. You never showed this kind of affection to me. And I serve you 24/7. Like whole day, whole night. Then Maharaj told, look, this question you did, the answer is in itself. What? So he is my son and you are my employee. Like you work for me. So what is the relationship? He is my son and you are my employee. So I'm just telling the words of Gurudeva. So Gurudev told, listen carefully, with attention. Sorry. So I give you a salary. How much do I give you? Okay. How much do you get in your salary? Okay. Suppose 20,000 rupees. Okay. If someone else will pay you 30,000 rupees, what will you do? So you work in one company, Bhagavan Das, for example, this Prabhu. He's retired now, already retired. So what will you do? So if the company gave you 30,000 rupees,
अनेकों प्रकार फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं, आप क्या करोगे बताओ?
If you got many kinds of facilities from another company, you'll give up your previous
महाराज
job.
उसी का कहने लगे,
So,
आप मेरे जो सेवा अधिक, आप जो मेरा सेवा अधिक कर रहे
So-
हो, आपके उद्देश्य क्या है?
you were serving me, the king told to the servants, the employee.
क्या है?
But when you serve me, actually,
सेवा
you're-
उद्देश्य नहीं है,
you don't want to
आपके
serve
खुश
me.
करके मुझे
Actually, you want to please me just to get more money.
यही तो आप कह रहे हैं,
This is what you want, actually. Money.
और कुछ नहीं है।
Nothing else.
है? मुझसे कोई यदि अधिक पैसा दे दे, आप उनको चले जाओगे।
If somebody gives you more money than me, you'll leave me.
मेरा बेटा
But
जो है,
my son,
मेरा एक ही, अरे
he
इधर
is...
आ जाने, कथा
Hey
सुने,
people,
लगभग।
come here. Listen to Harikatha. What you doing there?
इधर आ जा, बैठ।
Listen to Gurudev's Katha here. Sit down. Come here.
उड़वा होने पर मीठा लगता है।
It sounds bitter, but actually it's good.
गुरुदेव ने कहा था,
Gurudev, what did he say?
है? मेरा बेटा बेटा ही है और मेरा एक ही
My
लक्ष्य
son.
है, मेरे बाद
I have
मेरा
only one
बेटा
goal, that
मेरे
after me, my
उत्तराधिकार है।
my son will be my
सब माता-पिता
inheritance.
चाहते कि नहीं चाहते?
All
आप-
parents want this or not?
है? सभी माता पिता यही
All
चाहते
parents,
हैं
they want this. They want
कि
that.
मैं मरने के पहले
After, before I
है,
die,
मेरे सारे संपत्ति
I
मेरे
want that my
बेटा के मिले।
child will get all my money, all my wealth, and
क्योंकि ये संसार की रीति है।
this is the rule of this material
एक
world.
वृक्ष भी
Even one
फल
tree
किसलिए दिए जाते हैं?
gives the fruit to
अपने
whom?
वंश परंपरा के आगे बढ़ाने के लिए।
Exactly to make progress. This is in
सभी ये प्रकृति के
descendants.
नियम हैं।
Descendants.
इसका उल्लंघन नहीं कर सकते।
This is the rule of
प्रकृति
nature. You
के
can
नियम
never
है, सभी चाहते हैं
break
हमारे
this
वंश
rule.
परंपरा
Everybody
आगे
wants
चले।
that my
उसी प्रकार
descendants
राजा भी कार्य
continue and progress in
कोई
their lives.
राजनीति से लेकर के जो भी है, आप देखिए सब चाहते हैं कोई जो मिनिस्टर बनते
So you
हैं।
can see also somebody becomes a minister or politician. What does he want? The
जे
politician.
मैं जो मंत्री हूँ,
I
मंत्री अभी मंत्री
I
बन
am
गए
now
ना,
minister. No,
वो चाहते हैं
I
कि
want
मेरा
that
बेटा
my son also
मंत्री बने।
becomes a minister.
वो सारे ताकत लगाते हैं,
He'll
भले वो
put all his strength into it.
भले ना करे, उसके सारे ताकत लगते हैं वो।
He's putting all his strength into
आप समझे?
it so that his son,
पैसा भी आता है ना ज्यादा,
because of course he also gets more
और
money,
हमारे नाम ख्याति होता रहता है।
and he wants his name to be preached and be famous. This is the rule of this world.
हैं? तो राजा उसी प्रकार कहने
So
लगे,
the king
देखो
also
मेरा
told, "Look,
एक ही उद्देश्य क्या
I have
है,
only one goal,
ये मेरा बेटा
that my son,
मेरे के बाद, मेरे शरीर छोड़ने के बाद मेरे
after I give up my
रहते
body,
हुए वो सिंहासन पर
even when I'm still alive, that my son
सिंहासन
becomes
की
the king.
उत्तराधिकार,
I want my son to become the inherit of the throne.
उनकी एक ही उद्देश्य रहता है।
So my only
वो
goal.
अपने बेटे से अपना है, अपना बेटा है,
So he has this apnatomies, like
अब तुम नौकर हो,
we are
अब
like
छोड़ के चले जाओ, क्या
belonging to the same family, like belonging to each other. But you were a servant employee, so you can leave me at any moment.
वास्तव में पुत्र की दे।
So actually I'm giving all my love and affection and possessiveness to my
मुझे
son.
समझ में नहीं आया।
Ah, Gurudeva didn't understand. Gurudeva told to the devotee, no? So Gurudeva told, maybe your son is not be able to chant holy names. Sometimes he chants, sometimes he's not
मैं तो
chant.
स्वीकार कर लिया ना।
But I have accepted him, isn't it? Gurudeva told.
गुरुदेव ने क्या कहा?
Gurudeva told what?
मैं
But I have accepted him as mine. I made him
इसलिए
mine.
गुरुदेव वही कह रहे हैं,
So
गुरु कभी
Gurudeva never ever
शिष्य को जो है त्याग नहीं।
gives up the disciple.
आप इसको समझिए।
Try to understand this.
सद्गुरु जो है,
The bona fide guru who gave you
मंत्र
a mantra, this
वो
mantra,
चलते जाएगा।
this
जन्म जन्म
mantra,
आप जब तक
life after life will stay with you until you're not mature,
भजन सिद्धि जब तक
until
नहीं,
you haven't got achieved bhajana siddhi, perfection in your spiritual life.
आपको क्या
The
करेगा?
guru will
छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
never give up on you.
ये कहते हैं, चक्षु दान दिला
That's why
दे,
he explains.
जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से। हैं? दिव्य ज्ञान दे पाए। ये सद्गुरु की उद्देश्य रहा।
This,
भले तुम्हें कहाँ चले जाओगे कहाँ?
where will you go?
जाने को कहाँ?
If, no,
जाने के रास्ता थोड़ी है।
is there any other way you
बीच
can
में
go?
एक ही होता है।
There's only one
दो
seed.
बीच नहीं रहता।
There's
जैसे
no seed,
शास्त्र
no
में
two
कहा गया,
seeds. There are not two seeds.
तलवार रखते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
Shastra explains.
म्यार। एक म्यार
You
में
know,
कितना
the
तलवार
sword,
रहते हैं?
you can only put
हैं?
once
उसी
in
प्रकार
one case,
मंत्र
only
जो
fits
है,
one sword, not two swords,
एक ही है वो प्रकार।
swords.
हैं? हजार गुरु से मंत्र
So
लेंगे,
you can
इधर से लेते
take
हैं,
mantra from many gurus from here and there, then what?
जिससे जो गुरु लिया, जिस सद्गुरु हो,
If that
तो
guru
आपकी
took
बीज
Harinam and
मंत्र
Diksha,
आपकी
if he is a bona
चलेगी।
fide guru, this
और वो
mantra bij, this bij mantra he gave you,
व्यक्ति
this seed mantra, it will remain with you and one day it will
समझ में आया?
manifest. Do you understand?
हैं? देखो इस प्रसंग में ये
Look, so in this context I want to tell you one katha, one story.
हमारी रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी किससे दीक्षा मंत्र
Raghunatha Das Goswami took Diksha Mantra from whom?
जदुनंदन आचार्य कुछ
Jadunandana Acharya. So read some books of the Goswamis. Listen, don't need to listen from here and there. Just listen from the life histories of the Goswamis. Listen about the life history of the Goswamis. That's why I also wrote a book called Swaniyam Dashakam.
इंग्लिश में
It's in English.
है उसमें भी रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी में लिखा गया रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी किससे दीक्षा मंत्र लिया
Sorry, Raghunatha Das Goswami told, took Diksha from Jadunandana Acharya, not from Rupa Goswami.
ना सनातन गोस्वामी पाद किससे लिया उसमें रूप सनातन थे कि नहीं थे
But the Rupa Sanatana were also there or not? So why didn't he take Diksha from them?
देखो
Look.
और उन्होंने कोई गुरु त्याग नहीं दिया
And also Raghunatha Das never gave up his guru.
आचार्य से दीक्षा मंत्र
He took Diksha from Jadunandana Acharya.
आचार्य ने क्या कहा
And Jadunandana Acharya told him, go meet Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu
स्वरूप दामोदर के हाथ में जिसको कहा जाता है
offered him to the hands of Swarupa Damodar.
अच्छी तरह से
That's why Raghunatha was
जैसे करना आप
known as Swarupir Raghu.
ये भौतिक विचार है
So you're saying that this guru from 10th class, another from 11th class, is immune in material conceptions,
फिलॉसफी है
material philosophy.
है आपके पति अच्छा सुनो हम भी कह देते हैं
I also say,
अब बुरा मत मानिए आपके पति सुंदर है और सबको एक बढ़िया सुंदर पति मिलेगा आप क्या
your husband is beautiful, handsome, but if you find a better husband, more beautiful, more attractive,
और आपसे यदि बड़ी सुंदर
then what you
पत्नी मिल
do?
जाए
So
आप क्या
your
करोगे?
wife is beautiful. If you find a better wife, more beautiful, what will you do?
हाँ
So,
गुरु त्याग
that's
की
why.
जो विधान दिया गया
So
उसको
there's
समझ
some rules about giving up the guru. Krishna Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the Javadharma book explains, and you can read.
ठोक करके बोलते हैं
I'm always saying
गुरुदेव से जो है,
boldly.
5 साल
For
लगातार जब
5
हम
years, Gurudev studied Javadharma with us.
वर्णन कर रहे हैं,
And Javadharma
गुरु त्याग की
explains,
विधान क्या है?
when should we give up the guru or not?
कब गुरु त्याग दे
When
सकते
should you give up the guru? When can you do that? If the guru is asadgami, means he's doing bad things, like he's associating with ladies, fall down guru, then give up the guru. If the guru falls down. Second, if the guru is a Mayavadi, do you know some Mayavadi? If he's a Shankara philosopher, give up that guru. You know, Advaitavadis, a guru who says, Aham Brahmasmi, I am God. Give up that guru. Javadharma explains, listen, read it nicely. You must study, you know. So when should we give up the guru? In which situation you can and you have to give up the guru. Actually, Javadharma explains clearly. Please don't take it don't take it wrong, but 3 rules. If the guru is a Mayavadi, Advaitavadi, monist, saying, always chanting Aham Brahmasmi, give up this guru. Second, if the guru falls down, give up this guru. Third, if the guru is a Vaishnava aparadhi, if he criticizes Vaishnavas, you have to give up this guru. So in Shastra explains, there's a shloka. And again you have to take shelter of the Vaishnava guru. Again you have to take shelter of the bona fide guru, Vaishnava guru. Understand? So Shastra explains, if you say, but my guru is not high class, what to do? Then okay, you honor this guru that we already have, then you take Shiksha teachings from a higher guru. Understand? So 2 things in our Guru Parampara, Pancharatric Parampara and another Bhagavad Parampara. Try to listen very carefully this. So if you take Diksha Mantra according to the Narad Pancharatri, this is Guru Pancharatric Parampara. If you take Diksha from according to the rules of Narada Pancharatri, but Bhagavati Parampara, you take Diksha from any guru, bona fide guru, but then you take Shiksha from a high class guru. Example, in our Guru Parampara, we follow Bhagavatiya Parampara, not only Pancharatrik. Gurudev used to say, actually, the Bhagavatiya Parampara is not included in Pancharatric Parampara, but the Pancharatric Parampara is included also in the Bhagavatiya Parampara. So suppose, if you see, oh, my guru is Madhyamadikari, and you meet Uttamadikari guru, then you have to take the orders or permission of your Madhyamadikari Guru. Then you take teachings from the Uttamadikari Guru. It's not prohibited. Not prohibited. So the Shastra doesn't tell you to give up the Guru, never. Only 3 symptoms are there, then you can give up this Guru. Gurudev give an example. The cow stopped giving milk, then what will you do? You sell the cow like a Muslim, or you cut the cow and you... What will you do with a cow that stops giving milk? You continue taking care of the cow. Okay. With your money you can buy another cow and she'll give milk? Gurudev didn't say to sell the cow and have her killed. So like Jodhanandan Acharya. He took a diksha from Jodhanandan Acharya, but he never gave up his Guru, did he? No. Raghunatha Das never gave up his Guru. And Jodhanandan Acharya showed all the path to Raghunatha Dasa, told him to give up his family and to go to Puri, to meet with Mahaprabhu. This is true. You can read the life history of Raghunatha Das Goswami. Jodhanandan Acharya himself, the Guru of Raghunatha Das, arranged for him. And then Raghunatha came to Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu offered Raghunatha Das into the hands of Swarup Damodara. That's why he became known as Swarupira Raghu. Then
Raghunatha Das Goswami रूप सनातन के साथ कैसे रहते थे?
Then Raghunatha Das Goswami stayed with Rupa and Sanatana. Especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all the associates of Mahaprabhu, when they one by one they left this material world. Especially when Mahaprabhu left this material world, means when he disappeared. Then at this moment Raghunatha Das Goswami, he left Jagannath Puri and he went to Vrindavan. And then he came to Vrindavan and he was feeling so much separation of Mahaprabhu, so much separation. Then in this moment Rupa and Sanatana took care of him. How did they take care of him? Raghunatha Das Goswami took Diksha from Rupa or Sanatana? No, because the Guru is only one. If you get a bona fide Guru, you should never give up your Guru. You should only give up the Guru in the 3 circumstances which I told you. So if you give material examples, material philosophies examples, not proper. Otherwise, if Jadunandan Acharya, who is higher, Jadunandan Acharya or Rupa Goswami? We all want to become a Rupanuga, isn't it? And Raghunatha Das Goswami, he is the best amongst the Rupanuga, because he is the best following the conceptions of Rupa Goswami and his behavior, his bhajan, etc. So when you talk about the followers of Rupa Goswami, the first name on the list is Raghunatha Das Goswami. First name in the list of the followers of Rupa Goswami. That's why Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, in every chapter he said, Rupa Raghunath Pade Jarash Chaitanya Charitamrita Kohe Krishnadas. He's praying to the mercy of Rupa Raghunath in every chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita. That's why Raghunatha Das Goswami, he told in this mantra, Pranama mantra to his Guru. So what is the meaning of this verse? Namashrista, my Gurudev, who? Jadunandan Acharya. So in this book, Mukta Charita Grantha, in this book is a very high level book. The book Mukta Charita is very high level. But in this book, Raghunatha Das Goswami is doing obeisances to his Guru, Jadunandan Acharya. This verse is in the Gita Gucha. By the mercy of my Gurudev, I got these highest names. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. नाम श्रेष्ठ नाम मंत्र ये गुरुदेव की कृपा से
With the mercy of Gurudeva, by the mercy of Jadunandanacharya, I got the mantra. Which mantra?
गोपाल मंत्र काम
The Gopal mantra in Gayatri.
विश्वचिपुत्र स्वरूप और चैतन्य महाप्रभु की मुझे प्राप्ति हुई।
And also I got Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So everything by the mercy of my Diksha Guru, Jadunandanacharya.
और स्वरूप दामोदर राय रमानंद और
Swarupa Damodara Rai Ramananda Rupa Goswami Pad.
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद
Sanatana Goswami.
भूमि में वास
Even like I was able to live in Vrindavan, everything was because of the mercy of Guru. If you don't get the mercy of Guru, you cannot live in Vraja. This verse is so beautiful of Raghunath Das Goswami, not my verse. Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, this Vraja that you see, that this Vrindavan Dham, is a transcendental land. But there is a curtain of Maya covering this Dham. But by the mercy of Guru, this net of Maya will be removed. So by the mercy of Gurudeva, this net of Maya will be removed. And then you will be able to see the transcendental Vrindavan. Without the mercy of Guru, nothing will happen. You can try everything. You can change the Guru and you can change Guru, you can try. But actually, without the mercy of Guru, it won't be possible. That's why Raghunath Das Goswami, why he did pranam to his Guru Jadunandanacharya. Try to understand that there's no benefit in listening here and there. People give material examples, but actually you have to have nishtha in your Guru. That's why Gurudev always used to say one thing in his lectures. What? Guru Nishtha and Guru Bhakti, this is the backbone of your spiritual life. If you don't have the nishtha, loyalty to your Guru, you can do other things, but you'll never be able to attain that. Transcendental goal. That's why, if you have nishtha bhakti, if you have bhakti to your Guru and nishtha loyalty to him, you can deliver the whole universe. You can have many Shiksha Gurus, but Diksha Guru, how many? Only one. Srila Bhakti Pragyana Keshava Goswami Maharaj wrote,
Mantra Guru.
Mantra Guru. Whether it be, the Mantra Guru is only one, but Shiksha Guru many. Actually, Shastra explains there's no difference between Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru.
शिक्षा गुरु के चरण जानिए तुम्हें ताहार स्वरूप अंतर्जामी भक्त श्रेष्ठ यही दुई हैं आज समझे शिक्षा गुरु दीक्षा कोई भेद नहीं
there's no difference between Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. I've seen in my life. I'll tell you from my own life history experience. When I came in the beginning, I had the darshan of Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj and he gave me Harinam. The first day which I came to meet Gurudeva, Gurudeva was coming from Mathura to Devananda Gauriya Math. I was sitting there in front of Gurudeva. Gurudeva came and I sat down in front of him. Then he asked me, do you chant holy names? Yes. Do you have Japamala? No. So how do you chant? I said, oh, counting my fingers. He said, no, this is not proper. I have a Japamala. So in that, Gurudev is so merciful, Maharaj. In the same moment he told Naveen, bring a Tulsi Mala for him. It's the same. This Japamala that you see now, 40 years, almost 40 years I have this Japamala. Gurudev gave me. I tell you the truth.
According to rules and regulations of Gaudiya Vedanta
So according to the rules and regulations of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, Vamana Goswami was the Acharya and he was giving Harinama. So they told those who was take Harinama from Vamana Maharaj, sit down. Then I sat down, but with my Japamala there, and I sat down. So they gave Japamala to everyone. He gave, but there was a big line, big queue. The day of the Vyasa Puja of Param Guru Maharaj, I remember I took Harinam when? In the day of Vyasa Puja of Param Guru Maharaj. Everybody was sitting in the line, and also I was there. So when came my time, Srila Vamana Maharaj saw and told, who gave this Japamala? I said, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. And until now I remember, he did pranam on his head with the Japamala, and then he gave me back. Then I started crying. Oh, everybody got a new Japamala, and me, I continue with the same mala. Everybody got a new Japamala, but I continue with the same one. He didn't give me anything. He didn't say anything even. Then I came out and I started crying. Then I came to Gurudev Srila Narayana Maharaj and told Maharaj, I didn't receive Diksha in Harinam. Then he told me, if Narayana Maharaj gives initiation to someone Harinam, he doesn't do a re-initiation. My Gurudev was like this. My Gurudev Srila Vamana Maharaj also another rule. Especially a Matavasi, somebody who is living in the temple. If this person was going to take a Harinam Diksha, you can ask him, he knows everything. First he used to ask, take permission from Srila Narayana Maharaj for that. Even if you want to take a saffron cloth or sannyas, everything, the person must be recommended by Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj first. Without his permission, he would not give. Vamana Maharaj also used to say, Srila Narayana Maharaj is my guardian. He used these words. According to his language, he said guardian. So I do what he tells. Okay. One finished, but in the time I took Diksha. So I told Srila Narayana Maharaj about Diksha, and then he told me, no, I cannot give you Diksha, you have to ask to Vamana Maharaj. This is 1981. You can understand. 40. So 40 years ago. Because now it's 2021. So this is 1981. So I was staying in the temple for 40 years. My hair became white. I didn't even realize when. So I remember all this until now. So the rules very strict. I was telling about what? Diksha, you went to ask for Diksha, Srila Vamana Maharaj. Narayana Maharaj said, oh. Okay, so I am talking about my Japamala. So Srila Narayana Maharaj used to give Harinama but not Diksha. You were talking about when you took Diksha, Maharaj. Okay, so I told Srila Narayana Maharaj to give me Diksha. He told me he was not giving Diksha. Kunjeshwari, you can try to move in the back here, because here the internet is working. So it was, bring the phone behind, because in the deed of Srila Bhakti Pragyana was saying that only one Acharya. After that, Gurudeva Srila Vamana Maharaj, I think in 96, there was a meeting, then Gurudeva, Srila Vamana Maharaj, he established in his position of Acharya, he also gave permission to Srila Narayana Maharaj, gave Adhikara, eligibility for him to also give Diksha. Especially because to come, it is not possible for Vamana Maharaj to come to Uttar Pradesh because his health was not good. So that's why he used to come to UP. So whenever he used to come here, his health was bad. So he used to stay only for for a few days, and he used to come only like some years, not always. So some people from other temples, they were speaking many things. I only want Acharya. Why Narayana Maharaj became Acharya? How possible this and that? So Srila Gurudeva Srila Vamana Maharaj, he wrote that Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he was able to give Diksha and Harinam everywhere.
इसलिए कहा जाता है गुरु
in
परंपरा।
India and also
इसलिए
Western
कहते हैं
countries.
गुरु एक कोई साधारण वस्तु
So
नहीं
Guru is not an ordinary thing.
जैसे कहा जाता है देखो भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी महाराज
Like
के
Bhaktivedanta
कृष्ण
Swami
गुरु
Maharaj,
पद में
who gave him the position of Guru to Swami Maharaj.
श्रील परम गुरु महाराज जो
He took sannyas from Srila Bhakti Pragyana, yes, and he started preaching in the Western countries,
और
yes.
उनकी दीक्षा हरिनाम देने के किसने अधिकार
But who
दिया?
gave him the eligibility
बताओ,
to give Diksha and
कोई
Harinam?
अधिकार दिया?
Somebody gave him the eligibility for that? No. Why?
जो होता है, होता है स्वतंत्र
The
वो होता
Guru.
है क्या? स्वतःस्फूर्त का।
The Guru, he is self-manifested.
Self-manifested होता है।
The Guru is
स्वयं
self-manifested.
प्रकाशमान होते हैं। जैसे सूर्य के कृष्ण प्रकाश किए।
Just like who manifested the sun? Who?
सूर्य स्वयं प्रकाश।
The sun is self-manifested also. So in the same
गुरु जो
way,
होता है, वो स्वयं प्रकाशमान
the Guru,
है।
he is self-manifested.
हाँ, समझे?
Understand?
इसको विचार करके देखो।
Try to think about this.
इसलिए भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी महाराज विदेश में गए।
So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, she went in the Western countries, he gave Diksha Harinam or not?
अपने संस्था भी बनाए।
He also made his own
उनसे एक
institution.
साल बाद
And after only a year, he was 1 year trying to preach in Western countries.
फिर प्रचार
And
नहीं
he
हुआ।
thought, oh, I'll not be able to preach. I think it's not for me. You know the life history of Swami Maharaj. For 1 year, he went to Boston. You know the story very long. Then he came to New York. Then in New York, in that park, Thompson Square Park, he came. And then he started chanting holy names. And then the hippies came.
You
can see in the video. The same Tamal Krishna Maharaj, this Shyamarani Didi, they were there also or not? Yes. In one hand, they were taking the LSD, and in another hand, holding the hand of their girlfriend and boyfriend, or maybe smoking cigarette. The video is available on YouTube, you can see. Then Swami Maharaj, he was chanting.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. देखो साहब हिप्पी से क्या हो
Then
गया
all the hippies, they became happy.
और सबके इतना सुंदर बना दिया
Madhavi Didi, por favor, listen.
विदेश में कितने दिन प्रचार किया
So,
सबसे ज्यादा I think 10 years
I think for 10 years he preached in Western countries, and you see how he changed the whole world, Srila Swami Maharaj.
नाम में प्रेम बनना में डूब
He flooded the whole universe in Nama and Prema. So when Gurudev used to go to Western countries, Gurudev for 2 days speaking only about Swami Maharaj. And Gurudev himself told,
स्वामी महाराज
told,
महाप्रभु की जय
Swami Maharaj, he is
कीर्तन की
the
मन साक्षात मूर्तमान प्रकाश
directly personification of the Nama Sankirtan of Mahaprabhu.
हाँ समझे
Understand?
इसके ऊपर इसलिए कहा जाता है महापुरुष स्वयं करे
So Mahaprabhu himself told,
आमा कृपा बिना प्रेम धर्म
without my mercy, nobody can preach the holy
यदि
names.
महाप्रभु की कृपा नहीं
If the person doesn't have the mercy of Mahaprabhu, who will listen to your Harikatha?
कुछ नहीं है कथा ये
Katha is nothing. Actually, Katha is only like an art. Those who are great speakers, listen carefully. Actually, Katha is nothing. Katha is just like an art. Like to speak very beautiful verses, very nice, and you attract the heart of everyone. So many great speakers are there. I've seen. Don't take their names, but so many sadhus, and they speak Harikatha. They attract so many people. They attract with their Harikatha. Maybe 8,000 people, 10,000 people. If in my katha 5 people come, 2 run away in the middle of the Harikatha, then only 2 people continue sitting and 1 is sleeping in my katha. And in the end, also this also other person leaves my katha. Actually, katha is nothing. Katha is like how to captivate the people. But a Shuddha Bhakta, pure devotee, he automatically attracts everyone. This is true. So the pure devotee, like Swami Maharaj, how he preached in the Western countries. Such a beautiful preaching he made. Until nowadays you can see, wherever you go, if you say, like yesterday, we were running, searching from, and we came near the ISKCON temple. If you say East of Kailash, C112, nobody find the address, going here and there. We're for 1 hour trying to search this place. But when we said, where do you want to go? To the ISKCON temple. So everybody knew where the place was. Because everybody knows the ISKCON. This institution, everybody knows ISKCON, everybody knows. Even a small kid.
एक छोटा बच्चे के दो
a small kid, you showed two pictures, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, because his name is Prabhupada. So a small kid, he would show who is Prabhupada, Swami Maharaj.
ये वास्तव है,
He will say, he is Prabhupada.
इसकी जो है, ये एक विशेषता है।
This specialty of his preaching. Actually, to gather people is not difficult. It's like it's not a big deal, because according to your art, like how you speak very in an artistic way, you can attract many people. You see those great speakers, so many musicians. They spend 500,000 rupees just with musicians. I don't even have an harmonium here. This Mridanga, I don't even know if it's good or not. There is not even Karatal in my program. But you see those great speakers. I'm not lying, it's true. Just for taking prasad in your house, he wants 500,000 just to take prasad. Not Harikatha, only to make the prasad in your house. When I listen to this, I become, wow, what is this? But Gurudeva never did like this. So what is bhakti actually? See, where they sell the spinach, sabji market. How many people come to the sabji market? Gurudev gave an example. I'm not saying. I'm talking about Gurudeva. Every day, how many people go to the sabji market to buy vegetables, in the supermarket, suppose? There's not even place to step because it's so full. So many people, even their dogs there, everything rotten, so many things thrown here and there. Have you seen or not? People going here and there. Okay, so tell me, those who sell pearls or diamonds or diamonds, how many people are in his shop? In 1 year, only 1 or 2 people come to buy his things in his shop. Gurudev gave this example. And from this money, he can continue his business. From these 1 or 2 persons who is coming to his shop. Gurudev told. So Shuddha Bhakti, when it's Shuddha Bhakti preaching, less people will come. If it's Shuddha Bhakti preaching. If you speak about Shuddha Bhakti, if you speak about pure Bhakti, then yes, people will say, oh, he's speaking against me. But where they glorify you, oh, you are so rich, you are so great, then people will come and gather there, if they are glorified. That's why I say, Bhagavata is nothing. First is my katha, then your katha, and if there is some time, then we speak about Bhagavatam. You can say, people do like this actually. So the katha of the Shuddha Bhakta is actually like a pearl, just like a pearl and diamond shop. Less people will come, this is true. And but this, they can cross this material world existence. So Gurudev gives this example. My shop is how? Like the shop of pearls and jewels and diamonds. Those who did the austerities for many, many lives. I'm not glorifying, but for sure you, for many, many lives you did the austerities. This sloka explains. Only those who Bhagavan himself told to Arjuna, listen, not for 1 life, only for 100 lives. If somebody, those who worship Vasudeva Bhagavan for 100 lives, they are able to chant holy names purely. So you came here. I tell you, surely, for so many births you did austerities you don't even know. For how many births you have served Vasudeva Bhagavan. That's now you're chanting holy names and putting tilaka. So you got a bona fide guru. You're doing bhajan sadhana. So I tell you only 1 word. I know I'll stop speaking, but my tongue is always itching to speak. My tongue. This is true. The glories of Gurudev are so beautiful. He brought a cake. Look, it's the birthday of Gurudeva. So the Harikatha of Gurudev must be preached everywhere.
Jai Jai.
Shri Radhe.
अच्छा हाँ जय गुरु देवा जय गुरु देवा जय गुरु देवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव बोलो गुरुदेव की जय बोलो गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा यशमती नंदना ब्रजवराना गोकुलरंजन काना यशमती नंदना यशोमती नंदन ब्रजवर्णनागर यशोमती नंदन ब्रजवर्णनागर गोकुल रंजन काना गोकुल रंजन काना गोपी परण धन मदन मनोहर गोपी परण धन मदन मनोहर कालिया दमन विधाना कालिया दमन विधाना आमन हरि नाम मिय विलासा आमन
गगन दुआसा भज जन पालन गुर कुल नाशना भज जन पालन गुर कुल नाशना गोदन रत्नमाला Nitai Gorango